Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I shared increase font size inside the YouTube app. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, if I go ahead and open up YouTube, you can see the font is quite small. So to make this larger, what you need to do is go back, click onto settings, and then from here you want to go to display. So scroll down and click into display, and then scroll down again where it says font size and style, tap into that, and then with this slider here, just move this left to right to make it as large or small as you'd like. So I'm going to keep it at number 3, and you can also give it a bold font if you want, but I'm not going to do that for this demonstration. So if I go back to YouTube, you will see the font has been increased in size. There you go. So yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial guys, how to increase your font size inside YouTube app. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.